Welcome to Holiday Shelter Channel. Today we're visiting the Nook, the house full of stories located close to Asheville, United States. The exterior of the Nook featuring shiplap cypress siding and oak entrance. The Nook's inside includes a breakfast alcove, a tea loft, an entertainment loft, and a cozy sleeping area. Aside from the Nooks is an airy living space with an 18-foot ceiling, expansive windows, and a swing to enjoy the outdoor views. Cozy bed nook with a mountain landscape painting on the wall. The flooring is ambrosia maple with beautiful red streaks and almost holographic depth. Sip your morning coffee or your evening beer on the back deck. The deck boards are locally milled black locust and the rail is custom made by a local metal shop. Before the advent of cheap metal nails and screws, furniture makers used mortise and tenon joinery. This is an example of through tenon joinery using black walnut wedges in an oak ladder. The solid black walnut coffee table slides under the couch for more floor space. Both lofts, the ladder, and the front deck are constructed of gorgeous red and white oak. The Nook is a perfect artist retreat or a romantic getaway. Thanks for visiting. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to hear about new videos. Stay tuned.